Peter Dube, a suspected fugitive murderer who had evaded capture for nearly 3 years, was apprehended at Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport this Wednesday, 3rd April. His arrest occurred after he was deported from Mozambique. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The Gweru businessman was extradited from Ireland after presenting fraudulent documentation, falsely claiming his Mozambican identity. Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP spokesperson, Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati, confirmed Dube's arrest and clarified that he was not extradited from Mozambique. Instead, he was deported due to possession of counterfeit identity and travel documents. This is today's news about fugitive Gweru businessman finally being arrested for triple murder. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.